Hello, everyone. Guys, I promised we'd kind of take a look at the exit ticket, the very first exit ticket. So I thought I'd go ahead and show it to you. Let's just talk about it a little bit. Let's go through it. It might help you a little bit. Okay? Again, this is our course folder. Don't worry about these two test things down here. They're just from first try. I'm going to get rid of them here today. There's a 2-minute card trick down here if you want to see it. I kind of screw it up in the end. I might have to redo it. I'll publish it so you guys can see it, though, if you want. Anyway, I'll redo it. All right, let's look at today's folder again. I always tell you, if you want to find today's material, or any material, just go to this top links page right there. And we only have one day so far, so just go in there, click there, and you end up in today's material folder, okay? The exit ticket is in the orange folder. It's in the bottom. It's right here. Let's take a look at it. It might be a little tricky at first. And you guys, it's okay if you don't get the math right away. It's okay. That's what learning's about. I'm going to put my face up here. All right. Guys, this first one, in fact, the first three, I think, talks about the domain. That's how wide it is. How wide is it? All right, well, it starts right here. What is that, at -5? And see that dot there? That means it includes -5. It includes -5. I know up there, there's a hole. So it says it doesn't include that point. But -5, when you look at the x-axis, it's included right there. And the x points go up to right here, -1. And that's included as well. So this is how wide it is right here. -5 to -1. It includes both of them. It's right here, okay? All right, the next one is a line. You guys, it has arrows on both ends. It's not stopping at all. What's the domain of the function? It's saying, how wide is this? You know, it's linear. It goes all the way. It goes all the way from -infinity all the way to +infinity. All right? And you always want open brackets when you use infinity. You never want that closed bracket with infinity, okay? Just use it as a rule, okay? Always use open brackets with infinity, okay? And this goes all the way. It's as wide as you can go, okay? It's linear. All right, the same with this one. This arrow on this side, it keeps going back to -infinity all the way. See how wide this is? It keeps going. And the same with this side, it keeps going. How wide is this? How wide is this function? All the way. Oops. This one right there. Hope I got the other one right. Let's go back to number 2. I want to make sure I did that one right. Yeah. Okay, open brackets again on both sides. And you get a lot of domains like that with a function where it just goes on forever. It's wide as can be. Okay, that's the domain goes on forever. All right, the next 3 problems I think are range. And range is up and down. How tall is it? Well, again, think of the y-axis. This one starts down here at -4, and it includes -4. That's what that dot means. It includes -4. So we want a square bracket on -4. So it's this one, or this one, or this one. Now, how high does it go? It goes all the way up here to 4. But the difference is, this is an open hole. So how high does it go? It goes all the way up to 4, but it doesn't include 4. It includes every number up to 4, but doesn't include 4. So we want an open bracket at 4. Right there. We want an open bracket at 4. Is that? Oh, I'm sorry. Right there. Not -4. Open bracket at 4. Okay, that's it. I told you guys, I'm always making mistakes. All right, again, this is linear. What's the range? How high does it go? How low does it go? All the way, guys. All the way up, all the way down. All right? And open brackets on both sides, right there. All right? Just like the range, just like the domain for linear. Infinity all the way, all right? All right, again, the next one, we're looking at range. This is absolute value. Up and down is the range. Now, up, it goes up, 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 up forever on both sides. Up, 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 up forever. It's to positive infinity. But on the bottom side, oh no, it stops at -4. It doesn't go anywhere below -4. It doesn't go down here at all. But it does include -4. There's no hole there. That's a point. So from -4 to positive infinity, right there. Close bracket around -4. Positive infinity has an open bracket, okay? All right, what inputs of this function are positive? Okay. What part of x is this line above the x-axis? It's this part right here. This part is above the x-axis. This part is below, not this part. This part is above the x-axis, up here. All right? This means that the interval is positive in here. So that interval starts from -infinity. Think of the x. -infinity up to right there, 0. And it includes 0. -infinity to 0. Right there. Okay? It includes 0. See, this one is not right. Okay? There's no hole there. All right, now what interval is this function negative? Where is it below the x-axis? Right here. Right here, guys, below the x-axis. It's right here. This blue line down here is negative. Down here. Not up here. No, up here it's positive. It's above the x-axis. If I come over to y here, it's positive. Even back here it's positive. All right, the value is positive. Down here, the value of the y is negative, down here. But when we're asking for the interval where it's negative, we're looking for the x part. So this goes here to -7 is where it's right there. It includes -7. And come up here to +1. Right there. All right, I think you see the answer. I'll try not to put that one in. All right, next. All right, decreasing. As I'm moving right, as I move this way, right here the function is going up, 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 up. Right here it's coming down. Right here it is decreasing. It's decreasing all along this interval right here. Okay? So it starts at 1 and goes to positive infinity. Starts at 1 and goes to positive infinity right there. Okay? I'll give you that one. That's the interval where it is decreasing. Okay? All right, what interval, where is it increasing? Well, just the opposite, right here. It's going up, 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 right here to 1. This part right here, it's increasing. As I move right, as I move to the right, this is going up. So it's -infinity to 1. All right, see it? 2 more to go. All right, what interval is this function decreasing, going down? It's coming down right here. Right here it's coming down. See, then it hits here, and right here it starts going up. All right, so they're saying decreasing. It's right here. So it starts at negative infinity and down, down, down to right there. What is that? -3. Yep, and it includes -3. Do you see the answer? Next one, same thing, increasing, going up, right here. Right here. Starts at -3, goes to positive infinity. That's where it's going up. All right, right here. All right, guys, I hope you did okay with that. Let's see, I better stop doing that. Okay, guys, if just give it a shot, do your best. If you need some help, email me. All right, now next week we have Zoom meetings. Okay? All right, I'll try to help you some more too later this week. All right, thanks a bunch. You guys are doing great. If you haven't done your assignments, I'm going to be emailing you today. Okay? Or tomorrow. See if I have time.